Hey there, today at JTech I'll be teaching you how to remove the pulley from a AC compressor. So here's the AC compressor out of the vehicle. Here's the pulley, and here are the tools you're going to need. A 10mm socket and ratchet, a feeler gauge, and snap ring pliers. And that's really all you need for this video. So I'm gonna teach you how to take apart the AC clutch. First, we're gonna measure the gap to make sure that we get that gap perfectly right when we reassemble it. And really, you're just gonna want to measure the gap between the pulley and the actual clutch. And that is 0.035 millimeters. That is a insanely big gap. Usually you want it in the 0.010s for a gap, but for the demonstration it'll be okay. And then now you'll use the 10 millimeter socket. Take off this first socket. No! So you would take your 10 millimeter socket, and it's only one bolt right in the middle. Just remove that bolt. Alright, place the bolt over to the side. Remove the clutch. Usually there would be a washer in this situation, but this compressor is really used, so someone probably jammed a washer up in there. Usually you remove it. Alright, so when you would remove this, there's usually a shim there for adjustment purposes, but in this situation, the shim is either not there or there's a few of them jammed inside of it. So place this off to the side. You would get your snap rings, and there's one snap ring holding the magnet down, or the pulley on. Like that. And then slide it off. And here's the magnet and the compressor. You would get your other set of snap pliers, and you would remove this middle one to remove the magnet from the compressor. And the magnet has a wire and a connector. And that's it. That's how you take apart a compressor. So I'm going to show you how to put it back together now. You would use your snap ring pliers. Place that snap ring back in place. God. Pause that bit. So once you have the snap ring back in that holds the magnet down, you would place your pulley back over it. Don't press it in the center at all. Then you would replace the snap ring for that application. Then you would place your shim, and then place the bolt, and tighten it down to torque spec, and that'll be it.